That'll be quite enough now, Naruto.
Huh? Wait a minute, who are you anyway?
I'll be your team's temporary captain while Kakashi is recovering in the hospital. You can call me Yamato. And I really don't recommend you fighting amongst yourselves. Now that you're teammates, that is.
Huh? I'm on the same team as that guy? I'm really sorry about earlier. Now that we're squad mates, I just wanted to find out what you were truly capable of. Oh, alright, but you didn't have to go as far as attacking us like that, you know? I discovered you have no male genitalia, i.e. testicles, and even by small girl standards, you're useless. Say that again! Come on, I dare you to! Let go of me, sucker! This guy's going down like you wouldn't believe. I'm gonna tear apart! Is that so? Well, I'm very sorry to hear that. Usually I enjoy the company of girls as ugly as you.